Hi, my name is Kedar Ahmed, and this is a special coverage for rptv News. St. Jamestown Spring Gathering 2024 marks a decade of impact. On June the 14th, St. Jamestown came alive as residents gathered at Rose Avenue Public School Gym to celebrate a milestone: 10 years of spring gathering and health access. Organized by local partner organizations including St. Jamestown Community Corner, Sherbourne Health, and Residents Council. The event aimed to strengthen community bonds, provide information on health access programs and updates, and most importantly, consult the community and get feedback to address community needs such as affordable housing, food insecurity, and holistic health care. The gathering provided a platform for residents to connect with neighbors, engage in discussions on pressing community issues, and enjoy a rich tapestry of cultural performances, from vibrant Chinese dancers to the enchanting rhythms of traditional Indian dance. The evening showcased the diversity and unity of St. Jamestown. The gathering highlighted the crucial role of such gatherings in supporting marginalized communities, including newcomers, members of the LGBTQ+ communities, and residents of St. Jamestown to foster inclusive community health access and services. rptv reporter Fred Alvarado attended the event to capture its essence, interviewing attendees and documenting moments that showcases the resilience and spirit of St. Jamestown neighborhood.
We are thrilled to have you here today.
Hi, I'm Nayanthi Vijaysurya, a program manager at Sherbourne Health and Health Access St. Jamestown. This event is very important because we directly hear from the community members, and we are celebrating 10th year of Health Access St. Jamestown. Today we are gathering to hear from the community, their feedback, and once we hear from the community, we utilize their feedback and try to design the programs, bring programs to the community where they needed in the community. So this is really important for us as a service providers, as a community, to be come together and celebrate 10 years of St. Jamestown, Health Access St. Jamestown initiative, and also 9th event of Spring Gathering Community Consultation. Thank you.
Now, please join me in welcoming Monica Dalmatio, the Director of Clinical Operations and IPAC Officers of Sherbourne Health, who will help us open our event. Monica is a seasoned healthcare administrator and public health professional with over 10 years of experience across primary care, community health, clinical research, rehabilitation, and acute hospital care. She is bold healthy systems header and known for inspiring and achieving positive changes. So Monica, the floor is yours.
Thanks so much. Welcome everyone to our 9th annual Spring Gathering event. A little applause is okay too and warranted. Spring Gathering is led by Health Access St. Jamestown in collaboration with the St. Jamestown Service Providers Network. Over the past 5 months, the planning team has worked tirelessly all over here, and give a little wave if you're at the tables too, if you're a part of the planning team. They worked tirelessly to organize this annual community consultation event. Leading up to today, St. Jamestown residents completed surveys to share what matters most to them. The survey results were used to pick 3 themes that will be talked about today: food security, affordable housing, and social isolation. Before today's big event, we also had a series of small group discussions with residents to better understand these themes and how the issues are impacting everyone's everyday lives. Today's larger community consultation event brings together residents, community leaders, and service providers to collaboratively develop action plans to address community needs. After today, a report will be created and shared with residents and service providers. Organizations that are here today are committed to acting on the recommendations in the report to improve health outcomes and well-being for St. Jamestown residents. This year is also a special year because Health Access St. Jamestown is celebrating a whole decade, 10 years of being in operation. In the past 10 years, we served over 16,000 people in the community in St. Jamestown, connecting them to health and social services. In 2020 to 2021, Health Access St. Jamestown was critical to supporting the COVID vaccination efforts at the Wellesley Community Center, where we vaccinated almost 50,000 residents in the community. I'm still looking forward to the future and how Health Access St. Jamestown, the St. Jamestown Service Providers Network, and the community evolves in the next few years. So without further delay, a very warm welcome to everyone in attendance. We look forward to hearing from you this evening and working together to develop some solutions moving forward. Thank you.
So the Spring Gathering has been running annually for 9 years now, and it's just so important to the community because we want to hear what community residents have to say about how they're navigating life's challenges as it relates to access to health and social services. And we have to hear from community members to shape the programs and services that we deliver at Sherbourne Health, through Health Access St. Jamestown, and various service providers across St. Jamestown. We have to get input and cater all our services based on the people who are receiving them. A big thing is co-design right now and developing things in partnership, and the Spring Gathering event is just a really key, important event to allow this to happen. So 10 years with Health Access St. Jamestown means a lot to me and our Health Access St. Jamestown team because it's a milestone that just recognizes how well we can work together if we partner with community residents and really listen to what the needs are and respond accordingly. The programs and services that we provide today, that we provided a decade ago, will continually change. They won't be the same. And I think it's just something to learn from as we look forward to the future to make sure we're constantly evolving and just really listening and taking a thoughtful approach to designing, delivering, and evaluating our services.
Good evening, everybody. How are we today? This is the 9th annual Spring Gathering. How amazing that is. I remember the first Spring Gathering I attended when I was a school board trustee many, many years ago. And every year, there's more and more people who gather here today. I'm not only the local city councilor, I'm also chair of the Toronto Board of Health. So it brings me great pride to say congrats to Health Access, your 10th year anniversary. The things that you'll be discussing today, food security, healthcare, housing, and even to a point, community access, are all social determinants of health. So I'm happy we're discussing this here today because I know that, talking to the community over the last almost year and a half since I've been a councillor, housing has been a big piece of the work that I've done here and discussions with your community. And this is why during my tenure, we actually had housing clinics right here in St. Jamestown. And I know many of you actually attended our housing clinic. And of course, food insecurity is another major aspect of St. Jamestown. And I've worked with various community partners to make sure that we continue to make sure we have nutritious food here to our community members.
My name is Flora. I live here at St. Jamestown, and I'm happy that I was one of the MC for this today event. I'm so happy because this event, it brings the residents together, all the gender, all races. It does not matter. We are just very inclusive and diversity. We want to celebrate our development, achievement. We also want to see which area we can improve and make our community or St. Jamestown a strong community for all.
Aditi Thakkar. I am the Community Engagement Facilitator at the Corner. I think this event is all about getting the community's perspective on the types of services and programs that they want to see within the community. We also want to understand what challenges they are facing when accessing programs and services. So that's the reason why we are having this event. And before this event, we did have multiple initiatives that were taken to get the same kind of information. So we had a survey, we had focus group discussions going into depth for different demographic groups to understand what their perspectives are. And post this, after we collect all their feedback, the different service providers are going to use that to plan their programs and services in the upcoming months.
I'm Dilini, and actually I'm so new to Canada and new to St. Jamestown Community Center. In my journey, I was trying to find some settlement places to find me or to sustain me in Canada. So from the various agencies I went, various places I went, this was the most familiar and very helpful place that I felt so proud to be be a team member of St. Jamestown community, because actually I'm a volunteer still and I'm experiencing the multicultural places and people, how to involve with them. So they are giving perfectly amazing trainings and how to behave, how to adapt myself in Canada. So I feel St. Jamestown is doing a valuable and amazing work for newcomers and for the community to make them a truth, honestly. Thank you.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out all of our social media platforms. For more information, check out our website.